National Geographic Readers Weather by Kristen Baird-Rattini. What causes thunder and lightning? How do different clouds form? What makes a tornado twist? Look up at the sky. The weather helps us know what to wear and do and grow. It brings rain, wind, and sun. Let's go outside for some fun. What is weather? Peek out your window at the sky. Is it sunny or cloudy? Rainy or windy? You are checking the weather. Weather is what it's like outside at one place, at one time. But keep a lookout. Weather can change fast. The sun. The sun warms the land. It warms the air and water too. The sun's heat and light helps things grow. Plants and animals need sunshine to live. Sunny days are fun. You can play outside. Will you go to the park or ride a bike? The sun can make the air outside hot. You can cool off with a swim. Clouds. It says white, fluffy clouds are called cumulus clouds. Tiny water droplets float in the air. They group together. They make clouds of all shapes and sizes. White, fluffy clouds means good weather. A weather word. A very small bit of liquid is called a droplet. Here's a joke. What does a cloud wear under its clothes? Thunderwear. Get it? Flat gray clouds bring rain. Flat gray clouds are called stratus clouds. Some clouds are thin and wispy. They can look like curls of hair. These clouds float high in the sky. Thin, wispy clouds are called cirrus clouds. What comes from clouds? Drip, drop. Down comes the rain. Water droplets in clouds sometimes fall as it rains. Rain falls in warm and cool weather. Rain helps plants and animals live. It fills rivers and ponds. Rain forms puddles on sidewalks. Splash. What did the cloud say to the lightning bolt? You're shocking. Brr, it's cold outside. Water droplets in clouds sometimes freeze. They can fall as hail or snow. If it's hail, you'll see ice. If it's snow, you might get a flurry. Often, a lot of snow means a snow day. A weather word. A flurry is a light snowfall that barely covers the ground. What falls and never gets up? Snow. Lightning and thunder. Lightning is a super hot stream of electricity. It lights up the sky. Flash. It zips from the cloud toward the ground. After lightning comes a boom. That sound is thunder. Weather word. Electricity is energy that can make heat and light. Rainbows. Have you ever seen a rainbow after a storm? Rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. Rainbows paint bright stripes of color in the sky. red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which color do you like best? It says, what bow can't be tied? A rainbow. Six ways weather is wild. 1. Sometimes water flows where it's usually dry. This is called a flood. 2. Hail is ice that rains from the sky. It can be small or it can be bigger than a baseball. 3. A hurricane brings heavy rain and strong winds. 4. Very strong winds sometimes twist. They form a tornado. 5. It's hard to see in a blizzard. That's a weather word. A blizzard is a heavy snowstorm with wind. And 6. Sometimes it doesn't rain for a long time. This is called a drought. Wind. Wind is moving air. A light wind is called a breeze. A strong wind is called a gale. Wind has energy. It pushes clouds and rain across the sky. Wind can make kites dance. Weather and me. The weather helps you plan your day. Should you wear sunglasses or rain boots? Will you swim or throw snowballs? Wherever you go, the weather is always with you.